Okay, today we're in a 2010 Toyota Camry. We're going to be illustrating how to attach the ProClip center mount for this vehicle. ProClip item number 855364. A couple things we want to mention before we get started. First of all, read over the instructions, look over the photos, try to become familiar with the process. Next is attach the ProClip onto the vehicle prior to attaching anything onto the faceplate of the mount. And finally, we want to mention that this ProClip comes with some double-sided tape. You'll see it here as the red sheets. Remove the covering from the tape. The residue from the tape won't stay on the vehicle if you want to remove the mount in the future. Now with those things mentioned, we'll get started. On the left side of the mount, there is, or on the lower side of the mount, there are two angled edges. Those angled edges are designed to go into seams that are, now there's a center frame, there's two center frames around the Toyota dash. The ProClip mounts onto that center portion of those two center frames or vents. Now the first thing you'll do is start on the left side. The angled edge on the left side of the mount will slide into a seam under the left side of that the center part of the vent frame. You can start with a corner, it might be a little easier. Once it's slid under the left side of the vent, center vent frame, you'll take your fingers and put them behind the mount. Try not to block my shot here, but what you'll need to do is flex the ProClip to the right and allow that other angled edge to hook over this edge and into a seam underneath that right side of the center vent frame. Just like this here. Once it's over the edge, you can just press it down and you'll hear it click into place. Just like that. Once it's attached, you'll have a nice solid mounting platform to attach a ProClip device holder onto. We hope this illustration helps. Have a great day.